trans women always have been the custodian of culture. We in itself are a, what you say, an extent of the Indian culture in itself. We are considered as demigods culturally. We go to bless while the child is born, where there is a wedding or anything auspicious. The songs, the ghazals, the thumris, which our clan has, many masters don't have. It is thousands and thousands years old tradition which has been taken care, which has been restored in the trans community. The Guru Chela Parampara is as old as, because our country has had the Guru Chela Parampara very prominently, and our community still holds to that culture. So we are very much Indian, very much Indian even in cultural. There is a lot of difference now after the Nalsa judgment, which is famously known as. I was the intervener in the Nalsa judgment in 2014. And from there till today, when you go to see, India is the only country in the world which has the transgender act which is passed by the parliament. I really thank Narendra Modi ji for doing so under his leadership. There may be ups and downs in it, but still there is something for the trans. There are policies which has been written. There are shelters homes which are known as Garima Greh. I am the council member of with the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and generation has changed. Now the government is coming up with one whole package. I don't know whether they have announced, but it is known as Smile. I take the liberty to say it. It's Smile, and it will bring lots and lots of support for the trans man, trans woman, everybody. I believe that they have to have trust in their child. And the children, there's not only one-way traffic, even children should respect their parents. Because I believe that whether it's trans, queer, or any straight child, the child should have the benefit to grow what the child wants to do. And I believe the parents have to take that responsibility not to bring their dreams to come true through their children. Let the children have their own dreams, and from there the child will themselves grow and create a different space for them and a successful human being. And I believe that especially for the queer children, parents shouldn't have preconceived notions of stigma and discrimination within themselves. They should become like a clean slate, a clean blackboard, and they have to rewrite their thought process, what they feel about the queer. Then only they can bring up their child successful in this country, India, which is a complete new name of inclusion, which has been in this decade, which has started. See, there are many organizations, whether it is Gaurav Trust, where even I am a board member, whether it is Kidney Services, whether it is organization like Gravitas, Humsafar, even what we say Hyderabad has few organizations. So there are thousands of organizations. Now in December we are going to have a meeting of the National Network of Transgender. So there are many things which is happening in this country. So I believe that this country is changing in itself, whether it's at government level, bureaucracy level, or whether it is in the mainstream society. Today, your life, a platform like that, is taking an interview of a trans woman, trans man, other people, and it's a most respected platform where so many dignitaries have been part of this platform. So I believe this is change. This is change what India is all about. It's all about inclusion. It's all about sabka saath, sabka vikas. First thing is that stop thinking them as a different person. The day we stop saying they and we, when we say we all, the world will be a different place. Don't feel that you are something superior and you're doing something for them. You're doing for yourself. You're understanding a community which is different, which is not different, which is same. Your brother could be a gay or a trans, your sister could be a trans. Anything can be possible in this country, in this world, in this universe. We should have the heart of acceptance, the heart of embracing people immaterial to their choices, immaterial to their sexuality, immaterial to their gender. One has to have a heart to love. That is life. And if we don't learn this, then how we can make this beautiful life into a blossom and change the community and create India a better place for every gender, every sexuality, every person to be a proud Indian. Thank you.